What's up, everybody? So here's a very quick breakdown of how you can actually use an older model Focusrite. So I have a Focusrite Solo and a condenser mic. For this, I have my Bluebird mic into my iPad. So if you look online, it makes it seem like you can't do it. You can do it with the newer models, but you can actually do it with the older one. You just need a few adapters. So I'm running the iPad's power supply into this adapter. This is an Anchor brand. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's just what I saw that worked. And I'm running the cable that goes out from the Focusrite into one of the inputs here on this adapter. And then it has this built-in cable here. So this is going into my iPad. And as soon as I plug it in, you'll see the power's on my Scarlett. Boom. So I have the 48 volts option now. So normally you wouldn't have that. You should have it off, honestly, but it's powered on now. Problem was, if you went directly to the Focusrite to your iPad, it doesn't produce enough power to power phantom power and the 48 volts for your mic. So that's why you need this adapter. But just to show you it is working, I will record and tap on the mic. So this isn't just room audio. I'm rubbing on the mic. Tap, 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 tap. When I hit stop, I'm gonna say okay. And we won't be able to hear this until I unplug it, because right now it would be playing through the headphones that are plugged into your Scarlett. So I'm gonna unplug this and then play it back. Rubbing on the mic. Do it one more time. Rewind. Just room audio. I'm rubbing on the mic. Tap, 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 tap. And you can actually hear the audio now from the mic. Anyway, hopefully that helps you guys figure out how you can connect your Focusrite into an iPad. Or if you have an adapter for this, you can probably go into like your cell phone too. Anyway, hopefully that helps. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below on what you want to see next. And if you have any questions, all right, you guys.